are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.